Another way we know that curvature doesn't exist is because of amateur balloons. This one reached a height of 121,000 feet, and you'll notice that the horizon is at eye level. This is inconsistent with a sphere, as you would have to look down to see the horizon as you ascended.
Let's watch another high-altitude balloon. It's always flat when you're not using a fisheye lens on the camera.
Cameras with fisheye lenses force a curve onto the image.
This is why we saw curvature in the Felix Baumgartner Red Bull jump.
It's a fisheye lens, because a normal lens would have shown a flat horizontal horizon like we saw in the video at 121,000 feet.
See, Felix Baumgartner's jump was from 128,000 feet, so that's only a 7,000 foot difference. There wouldn't be that drastic of a curve change from no curve to a bunch of curve. See, and a fisheye just makes everything look round, so behind Felix Baumgartner, it's nothing but New Mexico. And I'm pretty sure half the Earth, or, 75% of the Earth isn't covered by New Mexico.
If I say that the world is round and someone else says it's flat,
let me just underscore, you don't need to be a scientist to know that the Earth is round.
in other breaking news, the world is round, not flat. But I don't have much patience for anyone who denies that this challenge is real. We don't have time for a meeting of the Flat Earth Society. Current members of the Flat Earth Society in Congress, they must have been founding members of the Flat Earth Society. They would not have believed that the world was round.
We got some people at high levels of aspiration who are the Flat Earth. We have Flat Earth Caucus.
How do we know the Earth is not flat?